This is a song to my draconian girl, living her life in her draconian world. She's a girl, she has bobs and vagine. She's my draconian girl, lives in her draconian world. She is the minister of weed in Malaysia, and she's cool as fuck. Oh yeah, she got a sense of humor. She likes to hear about knives. She speaks a Ching-Chong language. She likes to see my engraved weapons. My family thinks I'm weird, 'cause I put lace on my knives and stuff. But in Asia they think we're cool, even if they make fun of Popeyes. My little draconian girl in her draconian world, working at the compound, getting spied on all day. Her government is really oppressive, but everyone knows that fascism rules, and nobody likes a communist homosexual, because my draconian girl and I are best friends.